Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Practice English Daily. I'm your host, Jessica.
And I'm Eric. Hello, listeners. We are so happy you are here with us today.
How are you doing today, Eric?
I am doing very well, Jessica. I am feeling very motivated today. And you?
I am great. I am excited because today we have a very special topic. It is a topic that everyone loves to talk about.
That is right. Today, we are talking about dreams and goals. We are going to learn how to talk about your future in English.
This is a very important topic for our listeners. Why is it important, Eric?
Well, Jessica, when you meet new people, they often ask questions about your life. They might ask, what do you want to do in the future? Or, do you have any big plans?
Exactly. It is a great conversation starter. It helps you connect with people deeply. Also, talking about your dreams in English helps you believe in yourself.
That is true. So, in this episode, we will learn the difference between a dream and a goal. We will learn useful phrases, listen to some inspiring stories, and practice speaking together.
Are you ready to start planning your future in English? Let's go! Before we learn the phrases, we need to understand the words. We have 4 important words today: dream, goal, hope, and plan.
Let's look at the first one, dream.
A dream is something very big that you want in your life. It is usually in the far future. It is like a beautiful picture in your mind.
Yes, a dream is like a destination. For example, you can say, I dream of traveling the world. This is a big, beautiful wish.
Next is goal. A goal is different. A goal is the specific step you take to reach your dream. A goal is practical. It is something you do.
Right. If your dream is to travel the world, your goal might be, my goal is to save $5,000 this year.
Perfect example. So the dream is the what, and the goal is the how.
Next, we have hope. To hope means you want something good to happen, but you cannot control it 100%. It is a feeling.
For example, I hope the weather is nice tomorrow. Or, I hope to pass my English test.
And finally, plan. A plan is a detailed list of actions. It is what you will do day by day.
For example, I plan to study English for 20 minutes every morning.
So, to review, dream, the big wish. Goal, the specific target. Hope, the positive wish. Plan, the daily action.
Now, let's learn the phrases you need to use in conversation. Listen carefully to the grammar.
When you talk about big dreams, use these phrases.
Phrase number 1, I dream of. Note that after of, we usually use a verb ending in ing. I dream of living in Paris. I dream of becoming a doctor.
Phrase number 2, my dream is to. Here, we use to plus the base verb. My dream is to buy a big house. My dream is to start my own business.
Phrase number 3, one day I want to. One day means sometime in the future. One day I want to visit New York.
And a very friendly one, I'd love to. This is short for I would love to. It means you want it very much. I'd love to learn how to play the guitar.
Now, let's look at phrases for specific goals. These sound more determined.
Phrase number 1, my goal is to. My goal is to lose 5 kilograms. My goal is to read 1 book every month.
Phrase number 2, I'm planning to. This means you are ready to start. I'm planning to join a gym.
Phrase number 3, I'm going to. This is the most common way to talk about the future. I'm going to study hard this weekend.
Phrase number 4, I'm working towards. Use this when you are in the middle of the process. I'm working towards getting my driver's license.
And one more, I'm aiming to. To aim means to point at a target. I'm aiming to finish this project by Friday.
Sometimes we are not 100% sure, or we are just thinking.
You can say, I hope to. I hope to see you soon.
Or, I'm thinking about. Remember, after about, use the ing verb. I'm thinking about changing my job. Okay, listeners, now it is your turn. You know we love this part.
Yes, we will say a sentence and we want you to repeat after us. Speak out loud. Don't be shy.
Ready? Let's go. I dream of traveling the world.
My goal is to save money this year.
One day, I want to speak English fluently.
I'm planning to start a new hobby.
I'm working towards a promotion at work.
I hope to visit my family next summer.
I'd love to learn how to cook Italian food.
Great job, everyone.
Yes, excellent pronunciation. Remember, you can rewind the podcast and practice again if you need to. Now, let's listen to a natural conversation. Eric and I will talk about our real dreams. Notice how we ask questions and how we answer. So, Eric, tell me, what is your biggest dream right now?
That is a good question. Well, I dream of writing a book one day. I have always loved telling stories.
Wow, really? That sounds amazing. What kind of book do you want to write?
I'm thinking about writing a mystery novel. I love reading mysteries.
I believe you can do it. Do you have a plan?
Yes, my goal is to write 500 words every morning before work. It is a small step, but it helps.
That is a smart plan.
What about you, Jessica? Do you have a dream?
Yes, I do. My dream is to have a big garden where I can grow my own vegetables.
Oh, I love that. Why do you want a garden?
Because I love being outside and I want to eat healthy food.
I hope it comes true for you, Jessica. Did you hear that? I used I dream of, and Jessica used my dream is to.
And we also use the word because to explain why we have the dream. Giving a reason makes your answer more interesting. Now, Eric, we must be honest. Reaching a dream is not always easy.
No, it is not. Sometimes we face obstacles.
An obstacle is a problem or a challenge. It is something that blocks your way, like a wall in the road.
Maybe you don't have enough money. Maybe you don't have enough time. Maybe you feel tired. These are obstacles.
We need phrases to talk about these hard times too.
If someone asks, is it easy? You can say, it's challenging, but I'm not giving up.
Giving up means to stop trying. So not giving up means you keep going.
You can also say, I'm finding ways to solve the problem. I'm looking for opportunities to practice.
And here is a very common one. It is hard, but I am doing my best.
So how do we stay motivated? Motivated means you have the energy to continue.
Here are 4 tips for our listeners. Remember why you started. Think about your dream. Visualize it. Close your eyes and see your dream.
Break goals into small steps. Don't try to do everything at once. One small step today is enough. Celebrate small wins. If you learn 5 new words, be happy. Buy yourself a coffee. Reward yourself.
A reward is a small gift you give yourself for doing a good job. We love hearing from our listeners. Today, we have 2 inspiring stories about people who achieved their goals.
These stories show that obstacles happen, but success is possible.
Let's meet Crystal. Crystal lives in Thailand.
Crystal's big dream was to study abroad. She wanted to go to university in Australia. But she had a big obstacle. Her English level was very low. She was afraid.
Crystal did not give up. She made a plan. Her goal was to study English for 1 hour every day after work. She listened to podcasts, like this one, and wrote in a journal.
It was challenging. Sometimes she was tired, but she remembered why she started. She wanted a better future.
After 2 years of hard work, Crystal passed her English exam. Today, she is living in Sydney, Australia, and studying business.
Well done, Crystal. She proves that small steps lead to big places.
Now, let's hear about Jesse from Brazil.
Jesse loved sports. His dream was to be a professional soccer player. He practiced every day. He was very talented.
But then something sad happened. Jesse had a bad leg injury. The doctor said you cannot play professional soccer anymore.
Jesse was heartbroken. His dream was broken. This was a huge obstacle.
But Jesse thought about his life. He loved soccer. He decided to change his goal. He transformed his dream.
Jesse decided to become a coach. He went to school to learn how to teach sports.
Now Jesse is the head coach of a youth team in his city. He is not playing, but he is helping others play. He is very happy.
I love that story. Sometimes our plans change, but we can find a new dream.
Eric, Crystal, and Jesse had very big dreams. These are called long-term goals.
Yes, a long-term goal takes a long time. Maybe 1 year, 5 years, or 10 years. Example, I want to buy a house in 5 years.
But to reach the long-term goal, you need short-term goals.
A short-term goal is for now. Today, this week, or this month. Example, I will save $100 this month.
Think of it like a staircase. The long-term goal is the top of the stairs. The short-term goals are the steps you take to get there.
Listeners, ask yourself, what is your short-term goal for English? Maybe it is listening to this podcast 3 times this week.
We have a special technique to help you make good goals. It is called SMART goals.
SMART. Each letter stands for a word.
S stands for specific. Don't just say, I want money. Say, I want to save $1,000. Be clear.
M stands for measurable. Can you count it?
A stands for achievable. Is it possible for you? Don't say, I will learn English in 1 day. That is not achievable.
R stands for relevant. Is it important to you?
T stands for time-bound. You need a deadline. When will you finish?
Let's look at an example. Bad goal, I want to learn English. Smart goal, I will learn 20 new vocabulary words by next Friday.
See the difference? The SMART goal tells you exactly what to do and when to do it.
When your friends tell you their dreams, you should support them. Let's learn how to be a good friend.
Here are some encouraging phrases. That sounds amazing. I believe in you. I hope it comes true. Go for it. This means just do it.
Let's practice a short dialogue. Jessica, I'm thinking about running a marathon next year. It is 42 kilometers.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Have you started training?
Not yet. I am a little nervous. It is a lot of running.
Don't worry, you are strong. I believe in you.
Thanks, Jessica. I'm going to make a training plan today.
Great idea. Go for it. I will cheer for you.
It feels good when someone says, I believe in you.
It really does. It gives you confidence. We are almost at the end of the episode. But first, let's shine a light on some great vocabulary words we use today.
Here is our vocabulary spotlight. We have 8 words for you.
Aspiration. An aspiration is a strong desire to have or do something. It is a formal word for a dream. Example, he has an aspiration to become a pilot.
Ambition. Ambition is the determination to achieve success. If you work very hard for your future, you have ambition. Example, she has a lot of ambition.
Motivated. Feeling eager and interested to do something. Example, I feel motivated to study after listening to the podcast.
Determined. Being determined means you decide to do something and you will not let anything stop you. Example, I am determined to finish this project.
Follow your dreams. This is a beautiful phrase. It means to pursue what you love. Example, don't be afraid. Follow your dreams.
Reach for the stars. This is an idiom. It means to try to achieve something very difficult or high. Example, my teacher told me to reach for the stars.
Make it happen. To take action to ensure a result. Example, if you want to travel, you have to make it happen.
Visualize. To form a picture in your mind. Example, visualize your success.
Wow, Eric, we learned so much today. We talked about dreams, goals, obstacles, and success.
It was a full episode. Listeners, we hope you feel inspired.
Before we go, we want to leave you with a message. Please remember, your dreams matter.
No matter how big or small they are important. And remember, speaking about your dreams makes you stronger. When you say it in English, you are making it real.
It is challenging to learn a language, but look at you. You are doing it. You are listening. You are learning.
Practice English and practice believing in yourself.
If you liked this episode, please tell a friend about our podcast. Share your goals with them.
Thank you for listening to Practice English Daily. We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye and keep dreaming.
Bye-bye.